If you have issues with your hotspot not working properly on the Motorola Edge 70, then let me show you what you can do. First of all, we're just gonna go to settings and choose network and internet. And over here we have the hotspot and tethering. So if we go to Wi-Fi hotspot, we have settings of our hotspot, obviously. And the first thing that you can do is you can simply enable the hotspot, and then we have the QR code generator. We can tap on this icon to generate the QR code of our hotspot. So if you can scan the Wi-Fi QR code on your another device, then you can scan the code and try to connect just directly without having to enter the password. Besides that, another thing that is worth checking is the speed and compatibility. For some cases, if your other device is, for example, older, there is a chance that they do not support 5 GHz frequency, so you might need to switch to 2.4 GHz. And also, the same thing can be said about Wi-Fi 6 hotspot. So some devices do not support Wi-Fi 6, so of course we might want to turn it off just to make sure that that there is compatibility. And besides these options, one more thing that I want to mention is that if you do use Wi-Fi hotspot, then the Wi-Fi is not available. You cannot use Wi-Fi when the Wi-Fi hotspot is enabled. So if you want to share the access to the internet with your Wi-Fi hotspot, you want to make sure that you actually have mobile data, because this is the only way to share the access to the internet. So if you don't have mobile data, if your plan is very limited, then of course this can be the reason why the hotspot is not working properly on another device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.